Hi, my name is Curtis Silva, and this is day 6. Strings on, it sounds great. If you're thinking about building guitar, this is a place to be. One of the most things I took out of it was the steps. Everything's set up. Every stage, you make your marks, and we finish the day on the 6th day. The whole guitar is done. And this is what we came up with. So, see what it sounds like. Boom, boom, boom. Tall and tan and young and lovely, the girl from Ipanema goes walking, and when she passes, each one she passes goes out. When she walks, she's like a soundboard that swings so cool and sways so gently. When she passes, each one she passes goes out. And oh, how I watch her so sadly. How can I tell her I love her? Yes, I would give my heart gladly. But each day as she walks to the sea, she looks straight ahead, not at me. Tall and tan and young and lovely, the girl from Ipanema goes walking, and when she passes, she smiles, but she doesn't see. She doesn't see. She never sees me. Sounds good?
That sounds wonderful, man. Love the cedar top.
Oh man.
That's really good.
Yeah, I'll be practicing. maybe I have that song down better too.
Way to go, man. Thank you.
Thank you, Robbie.
That's really good.